Hey sis, thanks for joining the Nail Cutie party. In today's video, we're gonna do a full set. These are my nails now. If you're new, I'm Teresa. Click like and subscribe please, and let's get started. I just did a takeoff and I did file a little bit, but I decided to go ahead and record it, so let's finish filing. I'm going for a square round shape. I didn't push my cuticle back or none of that. I'm just gonna shape, and then I'm gonna buff them real good. I didn't do any prepping but clipped them, and I did kind of shape them a little bit. It looks so uneven. I don't ever mess with my cuticles. One day I will prep doing cuticle work. Prep and include cuticle work, but I usually don't even do nothing to my cuticles, which you can see how bad they is right now. So okay, let's do my right hand with my left hand. It's always harder, but we gonna work with what we can. Now I'm gonna find the soft side of the buffer, or softer side of the buffer, and buff it out because I'm working on my natural nail, so we don't want it to be too harsh on the nail bed and damage the nail. Using Beetles base coat, Beetles gel polish in white, and Beetles top coat. I wonder if should I do matte. And I'm gonna bring out the nail lamp. And the nail stand. just thought about some, y'all. Sometimes the gel polish chips off. So I'm gonna do a little experiment and use nail primer to see if that helps or even makes a difference. I'm gonna prime the nail first, and then I'm gonna actually, should I prime it once or twice? Because I primed twice with acrylics. Look at my nail, how it broke across there. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just prime one time. I'm gonna prime one time because I'm not using acrylics. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. Go in with my base coat. If none on this hand chip and some on the other chip, then I'll know to use primer next time before I start this. I don't even really do my nails like this, so I don't know if it's gonna be a next time or when the next time will be. So yeah, just an experiment to see if it even makes a difference at all, because this hand may not even chip and I don't have primer on this hand, so we'll see. Okay, it's time for white. Okay, it was some lint on that brush, so let's try this again. That's better. Not quite lint free, but it's better. Not quite lint free, but it's better. Okay, we're gonna do the second coat. Okay, y'all, so I decided to go with matte top coat instead. So let's do matte. And I don't know why the matte seems to attract dirt or dust, and I really hate that about the matte polish. But I love the look, so hopefully it won't do it this time, or I can figure out how to not make it do it. And if not, someone can definitely leave in the comments how to keep the matte top coat from getting or collecting dust and dirt and looking dingy and dirty. Even when you're not wearing white polish, it still collect dust. So if you got any suggestions for that, leave them below, please. I would appreciate it. I got my cuticle oil. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, this is what we're looking like on day 5. My camera stopped shaking. This is what we're looking at on day 5. This is the hand without the primer, my left hand. And as you can see, there's a crack right here because my nails are brittle. So that's not a crack in the polish. That's actually That's actually a crack in my actual fingernail because my nails are brittle. But as you see right here, it's chipped on this index finger. This thumb was my fault. I actually was trying to get the polish off my cuticle and ended up peeling it off. So to be fair, it's just this little chip part right here that's chipped so far. Now this hand, my right hand, is the hand with the primer on it, and the only thing that was chipped was right here on my ring finger on day 3. Today is day 5. I don't know if I said that. And yesterday on day 4 was this right here. This here happened. So in all actuality, the primer ain't really helped nothing at all. So it was just an experiment on will the primer help the gel polish last longer, and the answer is no. Again, the left hand is no primer, and it only had chipping on this part of the index finger, and that happened on day 3. This hand is the right hand. It had primer on it, and day 3 was the only chip. Day 3 was only chipped on my ring finger right here, and day 4 the middle finger peeled up. And this, like I said, I'm not counting because I peeled it up myself trying to get it off my cuticle. So yeah, that's the answer. If primer helps gel polish last longer. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you know how to make gel polish last longer, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, cuties.